I drive a 2014 Toyota Tundra, and my maintenance light turned on, so the first thing I need to do is go get an oil change. Once I have an oil change, I'll press this little push auto/trip button until it's at trip A, as it states right now. And then once it is like that, I'll turn the ignition off. I'll hold it, and then I'll put it to on. I will not put it to start the ignition, but I'll put it to the on position. And while I'm still holding it, it's going to fill up the little bar under the gas symbol. And then once that has been done, I can switch it back to odometer, start it up, and then if I go to trip A, once the screen loads up, it'll reset. Photo, trip A. Yeah, I might need to turn the vehicle off one time. Okay, it takes a minute to load in the system and reset the trip A down to all zeros again. But as long as the notification is not popping up, then you will be all set. And then from there, you put it back to odometer, and that is complete. Whenever you need to change out your oil again, of course, it'll pop back up, and then you need to go get another oil change. So that's a little handy thing that Toyota does. And this is for the 2014 through 2017 models, not push start. This is a key start. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions. Thank you.